Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What I want to do in this video is basically go over Tesla, okay? Earnings Wednesday, and who knows what is going to happen with Tesla, right? I don't have a crystal ball, but I do have charts and price action that we can look at and previous earnings reports. Let me just get a little more comfortable here. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Had to get out of where the entire family was at the moment. Let me just share my screen. Okay. So, like we said, Tesla, what will happen with this stock price this week? They report on Wednesday, okay? This is the 180-day 4-hour chart of Tesla. Now, there's some things that I want to point out here. First, really quickly, since it's earnings season, I made another video on Apple. It's also reporting on Wednesday. But before we get started, a couple of housekeeping, type stuff to go over. New channel, just starting out 2 weeks ago. If you guys like these videos, hit the thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe. We're going deep into earnings season now. There's going to be a lot of trades put on. I do a scalp strategy with options, just buying regular shares. I trade futures. So there's going to be recaps and a lot of other videos that you guys can expect. But okay, so now with that out of the way, hit the like button. But with that out of the way, we have, this is TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim. So if you guys want to find out what stocks are having their earnings reports coming out, you come up here, you click Market Watch. Now, all of these will be clicked. You don't want or need all these boxes clicked. Just keep the earnings tab clicked. And then you'll see that I have Tesla typed in here. But if I didn't have Tesla typed in, what would populate this week? You come over here, you click the beginning of the week, and it'll show all the earnings reports for the companies that are, that have their earnings reports coming out. So Tesla is Wednesday after the market closes, okay? That's important to know. So you have 3 trading days here before the earnings report. Now, what I was looking at is, I'm going to come back here and look at the chart. I mean, this is a very, very, look at all this consolidation here. Basically 2 weeks, it's been trading within this range. This is the first time I can really remember Tesla doing this for that long. I mean, other than back here, this was the last earnings report. It was trading around 400 or so. It went up $25 a share, which back at that price is roughly a 4 or 5% move. So if you can expect another 4 or 5% move on the current price up here, you're looking at a gain of about $40 a share. Basically on what it did last earnings report when it went up $25 a share. It would be around $42 a share if it did the 4 or 5% move. Now, who knows what it's going to do? I mean, it would be ridiculous if I knew where it was going to go. But if it did go this week and it went up the same amount that it went up last earnings, we would be breaking into new highs. I think that would basically bring us, well past the 884 line high. So, if you guys want to look at this, I mean, this is one way to look at it, but who knows what is going to happen in earnings. We've had such an insane rise of the stock price since the last earnings report. Maybe it pulls back. Who knows? But this is basically all I can go over with you guys is basically what it has done in the past. I don't know which way the stock is going to trade, but we are very clearly in a 2-week consolidation period with Tesla. And when things consolidate for a long time around the high, if they start to break out of previous days' highs, this consolidation really causes a strong capitulation and causes new highs. Because you have, just think of like a coil, right? So you have all these shares being just, tightly wound for 2 weeks, just going right back and forth within this little trading range after the high. And this is where you usually will see a breakout. Now, it has gone up so much since the last earnings report that this is going to be a very tough one to tell. I'm going to sit this one out. I'm going to watch it. I'm going to monitor the price action this week really well. And, we'll see what happens. So anyway, guys, hope you liked the video. I'm going to do this with, during earnings season with a lot more stocks. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.